A reckless driver talking on the phone struck my child while he was crossing the street.
Hi, this is Lee.
Lee, my son's in the ICU. Can you please come right away?
Lee met us at the ER, took on our case, and got our family $600,000.
I'll be right there.
We never thought we were lawyer people until a big rig slammed into my husband.
Hi, this is Lee.
My husband's in an ambulance, and I need help.
Lee came to the hospital, fought with the insurance company, and got us $700,000.
I'll be right there.
Throughout America's history, we've come to the rescue, stood up for the innocent, and fought for what's right when it mattered most. We're America's trial lawyers, proud to represent both the weak and the strong, protecting the rights of every citizen. They say you can't change the world. We say we already have. For advice you can trust, count on your local member of the Association of Trial Lawyers, Peter J. Caroli and Associates, someone you can turn to.
I was hit from behind while investigating an accident scene. My injuries required serious medical attention.
The last thing Officer Karen Weir expected was that her insurance company would fight her claim. If a hero like Karen can't count on fairness and justice, what can the rest of us expect?
Lee fought the insurance company and got the compensation I deserve.
For all the benefits you or a loved one are entitled to.
You need to know Lee. Call 1-800-LEE-FREE.
The FDA recently recalled the dangerous psoriasis drug Raptiva, which has been linked to causing rare fatal infections and diseases. If you or a loved one took Raptiva and were diagnosed with a serious medical condition, including liver problems or PML, a nervous system disorder, call Morelli Ratner at 1-800-355-9111. You may have a serious claim. An attorney will speak with you for free. Call 1-800-355-9111.
32 years on the road and never so much as a speeding ticket. You'd think that would count for something. But after the accident, my insurance company never even returned my calls. That's when my lawyer stepped in. Thanks for being there when no one else was.
There were serious complications during my surgery. My doctor told me it was normal, but my lawyer discovered the truth. Thank you for making the difference in my life and doing what you do best every day.
Attention motorcycle victims. You can recover lost wages, lifetime hospital, medical, and nursing care, plus money for pain and suffering. How? Call 1-800-LEE-FREE. Call Lee Free.
I was seriously injured in a car accident right here at this very intersection. I had medical bills I couldn't pay, and I wasn't getting anywhere with the insurance companies. One call was all I needed to make.
For all the benefits you deserve, call 1-800-US-LAWYER. We're available 24/7, and there's never a fee until you're awarded.
My medical bills were paid, and I even got a check for my pain and suffering.
If you're in an auto accident or any accident, one call is all it takes. 1-800-US-LAWYER.
When the doctor said my child had cerebral palsy,
My first question was how? Every test seemed normal.
Now the question is,
How do I take care of him?
Conditions like cerebral palsy aren't always genetic. Sometimes they happen during delivery, too often the result of medical mistakes. If you feel a birth injury has occurred, call Lee to help you care for your child.
It's nice to know I'm not alone.
For answers, for hope, call Lee Free today.
Some believe that injury lawyers are motivated by money. We agree, because when lives are shattered, victims can count on us for the money they need to put the pieces back together. Justice begins here.
You are the strong, the brave, the hard-working. You're a survivor, the noble, the building blocks for our future. You're the people of the Lehigh Valley, and you are the protected. We've made a difference in the lives of those we've represented, and we're proud to be the law firm you can turn to. The law offices of Peter J. Caroli and Associates, someone you can turn to.
For most of us, following rules is the way we keep ourselves and those we love safe from harm. But there are a few who don't think the rules apply to them, especially when it comes to safe driving. I'm Ed Eidelman.
I'm Mark Crosby. Every day, we see the devastating effects that rule breakers have on local families. That's why we've set up a website and phone number to call if you've been the victim of someone else's thoughtless acts. We protect the innocent. We're Eidelman Crosley. online at youaretheprotected.com.
After a serious auto accident, you may think the only thing you need to concentrate on is recovering from your injuries. But think again. An auto accident can keep you from earning a living. An auto accident can prevent you from even the simplest household duties. It can cost family members time and money in order to care for you. Call the law offices of Peter J. Caroley and Associates to get all the benefits you or a loved one is entitled to.
Your children. From the time they're born, you would do anything to keep them safe. But how do you protect them from a drunk driver, a negligent doctor, or even a cold-hearted landlord? Too often in today's world, a caring, responsible parent can feel just as helpless as the child they love. Protect your child's future. Call 1-800-LEE-FREE. Justice begins here.
Call Lee Free.
Call Lee Free.
I'm Kyle's biggest fan, and I love to watch him compete. But after his car accident, the insurance companies weren't willing to play fair. We needed help fast.
Each year, hundreds of thousands of people are injured in auto accidents. You can't afford not to have someone on your side.
Our lawyer really fought for us. He got us the help we needed, and he got Kyle back in the game.
Peter J. Caroley and Associates, someone you can turn to.
If you're ever in an auto accident,
never leave the scene.
You should always call the police.
Write down the driver's name,
address,
and phone number.
Get their insurance information, their policy number,
their driver's license number. And if you're ever injured,
in any way,
contact a lawyer.
The right advice means everything. Call the law offices of Eidelman Crossley at 610-398-3770. You are the protected.